Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change WhatsApp dark mode on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If your WhatsApp is on dark mode and you want to change it on iPhone, then this is what you need to do. Go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on display and brightness. Then disable dark mode and set this to light mode. Now once you set that to light mode, go back. Open the WhatsApp application again. Then you should see your WhatsApp in light mode. However, if you don't want to change the entire iPhone dark mode to light mode, come to WhatsApp, click on settings, select chat, click on default chat themes, then come to where you see wallpaper, then set a different wallpaper for your WhatsApp chat. Then you should see it like this. You can just search through for more wallpapers that you can choose from. Now once you find your choice of wallpaper, you can just click on set at the top right. You can also enable dark mode on the new wallpaper or reduce it. So once you have your light mode set, click on set. Then click on set wallpaper. Now go back to your WhatsApp chat. Then you should see your wallpaper set like this. Now go back to your iPhone again and then turn on dark mode. Now if you come back to your WhatsApp, literally, then you should see dark mode again. So let us repeat the same thing. Go back to the settings, click on this, then increase the brightness. Click on set. Hit the bar button again, shut, and that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.